Interesting price action today. I know I say that a lot. I find most days pretty interesting, probably more than most. Looking at the market, smooth trend up until the afternoon, a little bit of a sell-off here in the afternoon. What's interesting to me, though, is the direction, how strong this market is 3 days in a row. Now the Nasdaq is about roughly 300 points or so from all-time highs. Bonds are down on the day, which means interest rates are up. Another move lower would be higher in the 10-year or 30-year. Actually, this is a 30-year bond. So, it looks like it could roll over. So we could see some more high interest rates. Now the market is saying that interest rates won't affect it, but much higher, I don't believe. I believe that it will. So we'll see. Advanced decline line opened way up here and has trended down all day, while the market has been strong all day. It's gone up and then sideways in the ES. Pretty much the same thing in the Nasdaq. Ticks high and then flat, and you see if you draw the zero line, it looks like there's just as many down ticks as up ticks, but the market continues to remain strong. Let's look at the Nasdaq here on a longer term basis. So really strong move higher, up 260, and then pulled back this afternoon towards the close, but overall just a really strong, smooth uptrend day in spite of the market internals that are trending down. And you see the tick moving higher at the close. So VIX also moving up 4.5% on the day, only 0.78 though. So relatively speaking, since coming from a high VIX environment, 0.78 is not much, while 4.3% is a lot. 0.76 is not much compared to what we're used to seeing. Still very low VIX, but it is trending higher. So that's what's interesting. 3 days in a row, end of month, end of quarter, and beginning of month, beginning of quarter, accumulation of stocks. And you see that in the stock index futures. Let's look at the trades on the day. Strong trades across the board. NQ, Cobra 3, up on the day, 12.95. It's about 22 minutes till the close. 13.75 on the profit target version. Profit target version has finally done well. Gap continuation 2020 plus 1200. So these two are our base strategies in the 50K portfolio. Did well today, plus 2500 on those two strategies. In Q2, the breakout's just breaking out, plus 950, plus 4945. PR breakout in Q plus 675, plus 2645, plus 3975. VSD long short plus 3170. Viper plus 1550. Gap continuation 2019 big stop loss plus 1200. Cobra 3 and Q, $1,200 stop loss, and profit target also plus 1375. EVP 1 plus 2905. These are intraday. We still have 21 minutes left. So just big trades across the board in the NQ. NQ is the highlight of the day. We talked about how we anticipated the NQ to trend better, and it has at the end of last day of last month and the beginning of this month. So we'll probably still see some choppy days. But right now it's very trendy. VSD ES plus 2000, tick fader minus 625, tick wave plus 875. ES is also trendy. Let's look at the base ES workspace 60-minute breakout plus 1387.50, adaptive moving average plus 1125, night trader plus 675. So just gains across the board. Exhaust in reverse plus 775. Plus 600 on exhaust and reverse silver. A lot of trades in silver. Crude oil, no trades in crude oil. Big sell-off today in crude oil, but no trades. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Gold, we have Asia Gold 4. It's long. It's right around the break-even mark. Didn't do too much. Not much of a bounce in gold. Gold has sold off quite a bit. And not much bounce. Would have anticipated a little bit more bounce in gold. That could be a sign of further weakness. We shall see. Euro, big trade in the euro, plus 800. And then we have the old and optional workspaces. Let's see silver. We had this out of order here. It should be right there. Silver, there are no trades in silver today. Soybeans, kind of a scratch trade. Minus 75 on soybeans, day trader 3. And let's move that right there. The old and the optional, again, going over 118 different algos every day we track For the all strategy access, these are the signals and all those. Not all of these are in all portfolios, and so some are in some portfolios. There's different combinations. You can see that in our portfolio on our website, which strategies are in which portfolios. But we go over all the signals every day, and that's the market analysis and trading system signals on the day. Again, the NQ2 workspace had all the, this is our aggressive NQ workspace that really just catches the big moves and loses during the choppy moves, but just a big gain today in the E-mini Nasdaq.